this
neuron foramina with the inferior border of ఈ ఎంట్రీ పాయింట్ ఇచ్చుకొని మీడియల్ యాంగులేషన్ ఇచ్చుకొని వెళ్ళిపోమన్నారు.
No, that is not for medial angulation. That you have mistaken for that. If in case you are finding it too difficult to dissect the muscles on this side, you still identify this. You still identify this area.
Yes, sir.
Make an entry point here.
Okay, sir.
And go laterally.
Yes, sir.
In this direction so that you enter into the sacrum.
Okay, sir.
Sacral alar screws. You come into the alar, or you can also go almost in this direction.
Okay, sir.
Or in this direction. Okay. So this is what is for alar screws.
Okay.
Or you can also go straight because there is nothing that hinders you from here. But that would be a very small screw. So 20 mm screw that will not have much of strength. Okay. Anything is possible.
Okay, sir.
Nothing is going. You just come lateral, find this bone, put into the iliac crest.
Yeah.
Okay. The idea is don't put a screw that is going to breach this joint space and coming from this end to this end. That will be painful, very painful for the brain. That will not recover anyway. And the same thing that I was telling you. See, almost exactly, this is the lateral mass.
Okay, sir.
Why we choose the entry point is also important. Any point of time, we can divide this lateral mass into 4 equal quadrants.
Yes, sir.
Medial upper, medial lower, lateral lower, and lateral upper. So in this medial half, the whole length of the upper and lower ones traverses the vertebral artery in the front.
Yes, sir.
And in the lower lateral quadrant, we have the exiting root. So here on the posterior surface we have no problem.
Yes, sir.
But anteriorly where you are blind to are the important structures.
Okay.
Always if it is not degenerative spine, if it is a normal because of trauma, you can find a tubercle in the center.
Yes, sir. Tubercle.
Beneath the tubercle you come here. A rough calculation is that when you put it like this, your instrument should be touching the next spinous process. That angulation itself is sufficient for you to go in. Okay. So there are all safe anatomical principles. Okay. With this, you are entering into unknown territory where the vertebral artery is not there, where the exiting root is not there.
Superior lateral.
Superior lateral, you do not have anything.
Yes.
So that is what is the safe technique. There is no. What should be said? Same thing here also. This is the canal line. Here would be the entry point.
Okay, sir.
It would be more cranial, like this. If you have in case any time doubt, you are not able to see. Nibble of this.
Yes, sir.
Palpate the head along the head. You go into the head. You will directly enter into the body, taking a snap into the pedicle and going in. Out in out technique.
Okay. In out in technique.
In కాదు out in out technique.
అంటే ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే సార్, సో యూ గో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇన్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి అవుట్ అవుతాము, మళ్ళీ డైరెక్ట్ గా బాడీలో వెళ్తాము ఇన్ అవుట్ ఇన్.
Let it be anything, but it is what is this? You remove this thing, identify go along the rib head, and you will not injure anything.
Okay, sir.
Rib head is the guide for you there. Okay.